Ever thought push-ups are just for the young? Think again. No matter your age, your muscles can adapt and grow stronger. The push-up is a simple, powerful exercise you can do anywhere. No gym, no equipment, just your body and a bit of space. It works your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, building real-world strength for daily life. Whether you're pushing a grocery cart or getting up from a chair, this movement helps you stay independent and confident. It's never too late to start building a body that serves you well for years to come. So, you've decided to try push-ups. That's fantastic. It's a great step towards building strength and improving your overall fitness. Remember, it's not about how many you can do right away, but about starting the journey. This is a commitment to yourself, to your health, and to feeling better every day. Maybe starting with wall or knee push-ups is the right approach. These modifications allow you to build strength gradually, reducing the strain on your joints while still engaging the necessary muscles. Listen to your body and choose the variation that feels most comfortable and sustainable for you. It's all about finding what works best for your current fitness level. Expect some muscle soreness at first. It's a sign that your muscles are adapting to the new challenge. Don't let it discourage you. That's your body waking up and getting stronger. It's a natural part of the process, and it means you're on the right track. Think of it as a temporary discomfort leading to long-term gains in strength and mobility. By week 2, the soreness fades, and you'll likely find that your body is recovering more quickly after each workout, and your body becomes more efficient at moving and recovering. You might even start to notice improvements in other areas of your life, like carrying groceries or playing with grandchildren. You'll notice more energy, a spring in your step, and an overall feeling of vitality. Better circulation, and less afternoon sluggishness. That midday slump might just become a thing of the past. By week 3, push-ups feel easier, and you might be surprised at how much your strength has improved. And you can do more reps with better form. Focus on maintaining proper alignment and engaging your core muscles for maximum benefit and to prevent injury. Your brain and muscles are communicating better, creating a stronger mind-body connection, making each movement smoother, more controlled, and more efficient. By the end of the month, push-ups become a habit, not a chore. They're just another part of your day, like brushing your teeth or taking a walk. Your posture improves, your shoulders feel stronger, and you stand a little taller with newfound confidence. And you start to feel proud of your progress, of what you've accomplished, and of the commitment you've made to yourself. This is when the routine sticks, when it becomes ingrained in your lifestyle, and you're motivated to keep going, to continue building strength, and to enjoy all the benefits that come with a healthy and active lifestyle. After a month, the benefits multiply. Stronger muscles, denser bones, and more functional strength for daily life. Push-ups help maintain muscle and bone as you age, making everyday tasks easier and reducing the risk of falls. Your core gets stronger, improving balance and stability. Sets of push-ups also give your heart a boost, improving cardiovascular health and stamina. You'll notice you can walk farther, climb stairs more easily, and have more energy for what you love. Your metabolism gets a lift, helping with weight management. The transformation isn't about looking like a bodybuilder. It's about becoming a stronger, more resilient you. You're building a body ready for life's adventures. The mental benefits of daily push-ups are just as powerful as the physical ones. Setting and achieving small goals builds confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Exercise releases endorphins, melting away stress and lifting your mood. Focusing on your form and breath brings mindfulness, helping you reconnect with your body. This daily discipline can fight off lethargy and mild depression, giving you energy and purpose. You're not just preventing decline, you're actively growing stronger and more optimistic. Taking charge of your health brings joy and a renewed sense of possibility. Before you start, remember, safety first. Listen to your body. Muscle fatigue is fine, but joint pain means stop and adjust. Check with your doctor if you have health concerns or conditions. Start with wall push-ups, then progress to counters, then knees as you get stronger. Break up your push-ups into small sets throughout the day. Consistency matters more than intensity. Greasing the groove makes the goal achievable and prevents strain. The number 100 is just a target. Quality matters more than quantity. A few good push-ups every day are better than 100 sloppy ones. Meet Margaret, a vibrant 72-year-old woman with a spirit as bright as the morning sun. She's lived a full life, filled with love, laughter, and the occasional stumble, just like the rest of us. But recently, Margaret faced a challenge that threatened to dim her inner light. After a fall, Margaret felt her world shrinking, her confidence shaken. The simple tasks she once took for granted became daunting obstacles. Fear crept in, whispering doubts about her ability to recover and maintain her independence. The vibrant world she knew seemed to be fading away, but Margaret is not one to back down from a challenge. With the support of her family and a fierce determination, she decided to fight back. She started small, with just 10 wall push-ups each morning. It was a humble beginning, but it was a start. Struggling at first, her arms trembling, she found the strength to stick with it. Each push-up was a victory, a testament to her resilience. She focused on the feeling of her muscles working, the slow but steady progress she was making. Soon, as her strength grew, she added a second set to her routine. The initial struggle began to ease, replaced by a sense of accomplishment and growing confidence. She started exploring other gentle exercises, listening to her body and respecting its limits. And small victories, like opening jars that had once seemed impossible, boosted her confidence and reminded her of her progress. These everyday achievements fueled her motivation and reinforced her belief in her own capabilities. After a month of consistent effort, she progressed to counter push-ups, a testament to her dedication and increasing strength. The kitchen counter became her new gym, a symbol of her commitment to reclaiming her physical well-being. She noticed better posture and balance, feeling more grounded and secure in her movements. Walking became easier and she stood taller, radiating a newfound sense of confidence. One day when her grandson ran to her, she caught her balance with ease, a turning point that solidified her progress and filled her with immense pride. It was a moment of realization, a clear sign that her hard work was paying off. 6 months later, Margaret was doing 100 push-ups a day in sets, some even on her knees, showcasing her incredible transformation. Her body had become stronger, more resilient, and more capable than she had ever imagined. She replanted her garden, tending to her flowers with renewed vigor and joy. The vibrant colors of the blossoms mirrored the vibrancy she had rediscovered within herself. She took longer walks, exploring the beauty of nature and embracing the freedom of movement. Each step was a celebration of her strength and resilience, and she joined a dance class, rediscovering the joy of movement and connection with others. The music filled her soul, and she danced with a lightness and grace that belied her age. Margaret's story isn't about becoming a super athlete or achieving some unrealistic ideal. It's about reclaiming strength, rediscovering independence, and proving that age is just a number. It's about living life to the fullest, no matter the challenges that come your way. Her journey shows that small steps, taken consistently, can lead to big changes, transforming not only your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Margaret's story is an inspiration to us all, reminding us that you can push back against limitations and embrace life with renewed vigor at any age. It's never too late to start your own journey to strength and independence. The real journey isn't about hitting 100 push-ups right away, or achieving some arbitrary fitness goal that feels out of reach. It's not about comparing yourself to others or feeling discouraged by where you think you be. It's about starting with one, just a single solitary push-up, one small step towards a stronger, healthier you. It's about acknowledging where you are today and celebrating the simple act of beginning. The goal is to feel stronger, more capable, and more in tune with your body. It's about rediscovering the strength you already possess and building upon it, little by little, day by day, and more confident in your daily life. Feeling physically strong translates to feeling mentally strong, empowering you to tackle everyday challenges with renewed vigor and a positive outlook. Try one wall push-up right now. Find a wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart, and lean in. Feel your muscles work and celebrate that first step. Acknowledge the effort, no matter how small it may seem. You've already accomplished something. Tomorrow maybe you'll do 2 or a few sets of 1. The key is consistency, not perfection. Progress is about showing up, even on tough days, even when you don't feel like it. Those are the days that truly count. Remember Margaret, who inspired this whole journey? Her journey began with a single push-up and a willingness to try, despite any doubts or limitations she may have felt. Your body is ready to adapt and grow, no matter your age or previous experience. It's more resilient than you might think. So, are you ready to start? Are you ready to embrace the challenge and discover the strength within you? Let me know in the comments how that first push-up felt. Share your experience and inspire others to join you on this journey. And stay tuned for our next episode on the best foods to fuel your strength. We'll explore delicious and nutritious options to support your fitness goals and overall well-being.